Mitosis, the process by which eukaryotic cells divide the genetic material in its nucleus into two new identical nuclei. Prophase is the first stage of mitosis. In prophase, chromosomes become more evident and the nucleosis dissipates. It is when the nuclear envelope breaks down and strands of chromatin form into chromosomes. Metaphase is the second stage of cell division, where chromosomes become attached to the spindle fibers. Anaphase is the stage in mitosis where chromosomes move to the opposite poles of the spindle. Telophase is the final stage of cell division. It is where chromosomes move to opposite ends of the cell. The daughter cells form and the cells start to split into two parts. Meiosis, a two-stage cell division in which the resulting daughter cells have half the number of chromosomes as the parent cell. In prophase 1, the chromosomes begin to shorten and thicken. The nuclear membrane begins to dissolve and the centrioles separate and move to opposite poles of the cell and spindle fibers. In metaphase 1, the tetrads move towards the center of the cell and line their centromere across the middle of the cell. In anaphase 1, the homologous chromosomes move to opposite poles of the cell. Reduction division occurs, and only one chromosome from each end of the cell will be found in each new daughter cell. In telophase 1, nuclear membrane starts to form around the chromosomes at each end of the cell and the cell begins to divide. Meiosis II begins right after telophase 1. Each haploid daughter cell contains one set of chromosomes. The chromosomes still consist of two sister chromatids. As a result of crossing over events, the sister chromatids are no longer identical. Prophase 2 is the beginning of the second division. This is where the nuclear membrane dissolves and the spindle fibers begin to form. Metaphase 2 is identified by the arrangement of the chromosomes, each with two sister chromatids, across the middle of the cell. The sister chromatids remain attached by their centromere. Anaphase 2, sister chromatids separate and move to opposite poles of the cell. The nuclear membrane begins to form around the chromatids, now called chromosomes. Telophase 2 is the final stage of meiosis II. During this stage, the second nuclear division is completed and the second division of cytoplasm follows. This project was created by Kalina, Nick, Yanita, and Faye. Thanks for watching.